Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the machine and logging in. Plug the HDMI to your TV and the power cable to the outlet, then press the Xbox button on the console or controller to boot. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account so settings and saves sync. Make sure your controller is paired and charged. This ties your profile and achievements to the device. If you don't have an account, create one now to access the store and online features. You next handle connectivity and content. Connect the console to Wi-Fi or use Ethernet for stability, then run network settings and test the connection so online play and downloads work. After that, install any available system updates. Updates fix stability and enable new features. Then open the Microsoft Store to sign in, buy, or redeem games and subscriptions. Make purchases or start downloads and monitor progress in My Games and Apps, prioritizing one download if bandwidth is limited. You finish by launching and fine-tuning play. Start a game from home or My Games and Apps and adjust audio, display, and controller settings to match your TV and preference. This reduces lag and improves clarity. Use game mode, HDR, or frame rate settings where available. If the game crashes or won't start, restart the console, power cycle the TV, or clear cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If problems persist, check network or reinstall the problematic title.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.